Hey, it's John here from blogtrainingclassroom.com and also securemyblog.com, and I woke up this morning to a notification from Erica here on Twitter that she'd had over 300 hack attempts on her blog. And I noticed then, I also checked my email, I had basically the same thing. You can see right here 138, and this is actually still climbing. This is Learn to Blog with .us. It's just one of my sites I've recently set up. It's not really a full website just yet, but I do have a WordPress blog on there. And as you can see, the WordPress firewall plugin that I have installed there has notified me of some hack attempts here. And in fact, right now we're at 138, you can see. Now, what I noticed is that they're all trying to use the TimThumb security leak that recently was going around. And if you're viewing this from my blog, then you can read about it just below this here. But these attacks are all coming from this exact same IP address. Look at this. I'll click through here. They're all the same IP address. So I was just making sure there. Yep. So here's what I'm going to do to stop this from coming in, at least for right now. I'm going to ban this IP address from accessing my website. So I'm going to copy that IP address real quick, and let me log into my web hosting account real quick. Okay, I'm in my web hosting now, and what you want to do is go to your themes directory. If you have first you want to see if you have the TimThumb file in there. So go to your WP content, go to themes, and I'm using Fresh News. It's a Woo themes for this particular site. And scroll through here and see if you're using it. And I might have deleted mine earlier. See here. Okay, I deleted mine, but if you see TimThumb, or it might just say thumb.php in this directory here, then make sure that you have that code updated, which I linked to in the article below this video here. But let's go ahead and ban that IP address real quick if you don't know how to do that already. So the first thing you want to do is go to your root directory where your WordPress blog is installed, and then open up your .htaccess file. And in here you can see I already have some IP addresses banned, and I'll paste this code in the article here so you can just copy and paste. But let me just paste that IP address there, and then all you do is just copy. Alright, now I'll save it. Okay, I'll exit out of that, and now that IP address is banned. And it's always good to make sure that your website works after you do anything in a .htaccess file. So hopefully the attacks will stop, and maybe in a couple weeks or a month or whenever I can release that IP address. So let me know if you have any questions.